Okay, we can manage the cable to make sure the cable is good. First, we test the video cable.
视频。
Okay, then it is correct. Second, we test the camera cable. Okay. The third, we test the net cable. It is right. Okay, the next one is ground cable. Okay, then it shows the cable is can work okay. Now we can make sure the cable whether or not can work well. So we can test it. The first. The first cable is the video. The second is the GND. The third is the net. The next one is the camera. Is for camera.